Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you guys are good. So today we've got another one. Today it's the Multisharp whetstone chisel and blade sharpener right here, guys. Yes. All right. So installation time, right? So what we need to do is install this work tray onto our workbench, so that once we're done, we're going to put everything together onto this work tray. So yeah, guys, we're going to fix this work tray onto the workbench with this cordless impact driver and these screws right here. While we're installing this water tray right here, we decided that let's just install the leather strap right here, which we're going to use at the end to just polish off all the sharpening that we did. So yeah, let's do that right now. So this is the main component right here. So we're going to install it onto our water tray right here, just like this. Clip it in, nice and snuggish, and then we're going to attach our drill so that we're going to use it to actually rotate the actual whetstone. Fasten this. Make sure that it screws. Alright, so everything has been fitted right now, so we're going to give it a small test to see that everything works well. Yep, everything works well. So now we're going to just fill the water tray with water and test it to see whether the water is circulating or not, as per the instructions on the actual box. Right. So that has been filled up. Then let's check it again. Well, everything is working the way it's supposed to be working. So as mentioned in the introduction of the video, this whole product comes with 3 accessories. You can sharpen chisels, blades, knives, scissors, and so forth and so forth. So with this part right here, you can use it to sharpen the knives. So how you install it is that you're just going to put it over here. It's going to clip on here, and then when you run your knife across here, then it's going to sharpen your knife front and back, and any scissors that you have. Then how you remove it, you just unclip it here at the top. It will come off easily like that. And then you've got your second accessory right here, right? This one comes in various degrees right here regarding how you want to sharpen certain types of blades. If certain blades need to be sharpened at a certain angle, this one will help you right here. So how you install this one, just clip it here on the sides right here, and then that's how it works right here. So you can run your blade in whichever angle that you want it here right here, according to the numbers right here. Then you've got your last main component right here, which is the chisel one right here. So this one, you're just gonna clip it right here on the top right here. It moves very easily, so that when you're actually sharpening, right, you will move the blade left and right, and it will sharpen the chisel very easily. So our experiment will be focused on chisel sharpening, so we're going to be using this guy right here. So this is an old chisel that we retired in the workshop that we don't use a lot, so we thought that it would be a good chisel to use in this whole experiment right here. As you can see right here, it's blunt, it's old. So with any new standard chisel, you won't need to actually put in any effort in removing excess material, but with this one, as you can see, I need to actually put in some power to remove excess material, but I'm not the way I'm supposed to be removing material. It's very blunt, and a sharp chisel should actually remove material very easily. So let's start sharpening this, and then let's see after that what's gonna come out. All right, so here's our chisel right here. So how this works is that you're going to put your chisel in here, and then you're going to tighten it using this wheel right here on the side. Alright, so everything has been installed right now. So we're going to attempt to sharpen this chisel right here. It's an old chisel as mentioned. Sharpen it and see whether we're going to bring it back to its glory days. So let's go. So we unfasten the wheel right here. Take out the chisel, as you can see. It has been sharpened right here. So the last step is just slightly polish it on your leather strap right here. A couple of strokes right here. Alright, it's time to test it. Let's see. As you can see, sharp. So obviously it's not as sharp as I wanted it to be, so we'll have to make more passes on it to make it very sharp. But as you can see, guys, the chisel has been sharpened. Very great tool, guys. You will have to do repetitive passes just to make sure that your blade is sharpened according to how you want it. And yeah, very happy with this product. Thank you very much, Vermont, for supplying us with this beautiful product right here. Very high quality right here. And yeah, I think we're going to sharpen everything in the house now. But yeah, let's go.